Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video description. Today I will talk to you about the Tempozan Giant Ferris Wheel. The Tempozan Giant Ferris Wheel is a famous tourist spot in Osaka's Minato ward. It opened in 1997 and it's 120.5 meters tall with a diameter of 100 meters. It was once one of the largest Ferris wheel in the world. Today, it's popular for its stunning views of Osaka Bay and the city. One ride takes about 15 minutes. On clear days, you can see the Kansai International Airport, the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge, and even Awaji Island. The Ferris wheel is especially beautiful during sunset and night, offering great views of the evening sky and Osaka's city lights. There are also see-through cabins and with transport floors for a more thrilling experience. Recently, the Ferris wheel has gained attention for its light displays. It features seasonal illuminations and special designs for events, lighting up the Tempozan area at night. During Christmas and Halloween, many people come to take photos of the beautiful lights. The Tempozan Giant Ferris Wheel is close to another attraction like the Osaka Aquarium, Kaiyukan, and Tempozan Marketplace, making it a great place to spend the day. It's only a 5-minute walk from Osaka Metro's Osaka Kou station, making it easy to visit. It's a must-see spot in Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.